Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to connect to your Ceyomur CY95 trail camera using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So the first thing we need to do is install the recommended app, which they provided on page 15, the QR codes for the iOS and Android. So using an app like QR Scanner, I'm going to scan the Android one there, and then we're going to go to the Play Store and get the Game Camera Pro 2, which I already have installed. All right, so let's go ahead and walk through this setup. Now I have set the camera outside my studio, looking at my goat pin. It's about 40 feet away from where I'm sitting, and I'm inside here. So let's see if we can connect to it. All right, so for the first thing we're going to do is turn the app on. And now we're going to hit this button that says Turn on Bluetooth. Okay, and what this basically means, connect via Bluetooth. The camera has a Bluetooth signal that's always on. We see that it appeared right there, so there's the camera. All right, now we're going to connect to the camera. Now, once this goes, we're going to go turn on Wi-Fi. So this takes about 10 seconds. The camera is now turning on the Wi-Fi, and once it's done, it'll go to this screen. Now we're going to go to Wi-Fi settings. Okay, it's going to take us to our Wi-Fi settings. Now we're going to look for the camera. And there we go. We see the camera appeared, the Ceyomur. So we'll connect that. Now the camera is the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should connect to the camera, and we're connected. All right, so now we're connected to the camera. Simply press the back button and we'll go back to the app. We'll see the green, and this is a note that it cannot record 4K video while in this mode. So okay, all right, so there is the camera. We can turn it sideways, and there we see the goat pin. All right, the goats were standing out there when I put the camera out, but the camera is filming, and so if you wanted to record video, you could record here, except that I have it set to 4K, so it cannot do that. But let's go to photo mode, okay? And we can take pictures in photo mode, okay? And let's see. So it's taking a 1080p video there, okay? We can also see our battery level up here, which is 57%. Okay, and all right, now let's go back to this. Okay, so if you want to see your pictures that are on the camera, photos and videos, you can come over here and hit that little deer in the bottom corner there, and then we see there's a couple of pictures there. You can look at those by clicking on them. All right, and you can scroll side to side. Okay, if you want to see videos, just take this toggle it over there, and then you can watch videos. Takes a little bit to download the video to the phone, and there we hear the video, and there's actually sound to it. Okay. And that is how you watch the photos and videos. If you want to delete them, you can just hit the little delete up there. Toggle back to photos and videos and pictures here. Oh, there's a goat walking in front there. So if you want to delete your pictures, click on them, and you can delete them like that, and clear out your camera. Also in the app, you can actually adjust the settings of the camera. So you can adjust all your settings on the camera here in the app without no need to open the camera and set them up. So if you wanted to change your mode or your image and video quality, all that stuff can all be adjusted right here in the app. if you want to do it. It's quite easy to do, so you don't have to use the camera. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video of how to use the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi systems on the Ceyomur CY95 trail camera. If you've enjoyed this video and have found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.